Hello everyone! How are you, man? We wait for some people. Martino's in the house, hein? Salut, Big! Luke and Tony! Jonah, ça va bien, man? Skidoo! Monsieur Tony, what's up, everyone, man? Everything is good. Did brother get the... Hey, God, yes, gonna fix the cheveux, là, hein? There we go. Perfect, that's it. Ah, wait, Chris. Ah, wait, good. The fucking Neutrogena is not working. Okay, so listen, we do the forecast here quick, then we answer some question. There's a lot of shit is happening in Quebec right now, man. It's a fucking mess, okay? I tried to write something to talk to you about something, but then some other fucking shit is happening, and I have to do that after, and fuck, you see, I can never finish one thing, man. Thank you, entrepreneur life. I'm looking fucking spack, as brother would say, you know. Him, he's doing it some other, maybe next week or something, but today, you're stuck with me, tabarnak. Okay, écoute, là, this week, là, it's fucking cold, okay? Don't worry about the snow. Here, the snow is, you know, 1 centimeter, là. Monday is a bit wet, tomorrow. Mais non, c'est, non, calice, c'est pas... Monday is +4, not -4. I made a small mistake. +4, so the Domani, là, I try to be a bit like brother. Domani is more warmer, okay? So tomorrow is good, but the snow what happened is melt and he exposed the fucking pothole on Monday, okay? So watch out for that. Don't fucking plant ton Civic là, in the fucking swimming pool on the street. Tuesday is going to be cold. Oh, you don't see me. I walk off the screen. Tuesday will be very cold. Don't be fooled by the sunglass on the Mr. Sun. Là. He's cold. Watch out. And the rest of the week is fucking skidoo. Là. What type? Why am I yelling? You want me to calm down? Let's see. I'm sorry. I calm the voice. Là. M'excuse. I'm fucking excited, man. I'm happy to see you guys, Chris. Normal, I just get angry on the screen and now I do it live. Okay, I'm going to whisper. Say fucking Mickey Mouse, tabarnak. Did you fire brother? Man, no, I did not fire him. He take a vacate and that's it. That's it, that's all, man. I'm back, I'm here. The people, you want to see me or not, man? One, he told me to calm down. The other, he say, what happened to brother? Are you wearing pants? Maybe not, man. I'm going to show you. I wear the jogger. I am not going to put the whole suit, là. Say, I'm not going to fucking big business meeting, là. Yes. Ben non, man. You understand? Favorite politician, Lego or plant? Neither, là, neither. And you know what? I tell you something. I don't know if my friend is in the house. Watch this over here, okay? Check-moi ça, là. He got me a nice shirt from the last time we did the forecast. Single like a Pringle. Oh, it's backwards. Tabarnak. It's a single like a Pringle. And in the back, c'est qui se passe, là? Okay, good. We're good. Perfect. You know what? Fuck this shit. We take it off. I put the tie back after. Vote for Martin, man. Come November, this is what happened. Come November, this is what we do. You vote for Martin. No more plan, là. I get rid of all the bicycle. Bicycle is fucking illegal. Come, what do you call it? Come, when I win, bicycle is illegal. That's it, that's all, man. Am I single? Of course I'm single, man. No. I'm single. You know what happened, Juliette, là. Sacrement. What? Shout out to Toronto. They keep saying hi. Toronto, I love you, man. Your fucking streets are smoother than my cream cheese cake. See, man, it's perfect. It's fucking beautiful, man. Picture perfect. Oh, yes. Toronto, I come back to see you very soon. Brother or Sal, I don't like either them. Fuck, you say both of them. Brother, he's stupid, yo. And Sal, he's always angry, yell about his wife. He needs to calm down, you see, man. That's it. I promise I vote for you. Peter, I love you, man. Thank you so much, you see. You have to vote for Martin, man. I'm the only option. Now the whole shit with the fucking popcorn, you see. We're in a fucking pandemic shit, yo. And we're complaining about fucking popcorn. Sacrament, say, man, do we have nothing better to fucking argue about to say fucking popcorn? Sacrament, man, does it make sense? Do you love the orange cone? I don't even have to answer that, man. You know the orange cone, it bring my blood pressure through the fucking roof, man. I can't stand them shit. Even Julia, when she come here, I drive with her in the car, the orange cone, he's in the snow. He's in underneath the snow. The cones are not fucking seeds, tabarnak. You're not planting a cone tree, calice. Doesn't make sense, man. So come on. And you are never angry. I'm never angry, man. This is me calm, okay? I'm very fucking calm. When I get angry, I turn a different color, man. Like the Hulk, calice. Doesn't, man, Marty Party, that's it, man. You remember the Marty Party when I created a couple years ago, man. You understand? Should Montreal separate from Canada? Look, écoute, là, it doesn't work like that. You can't just separate, là. We're not a fucking Oreo cookie that you separate the side, là, okay? I'm not even gonna get into the fucking logistic, là, okay? It doesn't make sense, okay? Only if Montreal, if you can separate from Canada and you leave the pothole with Canada, then maybe we can do it. But if not, if you're going to separate and take the pothole, let's say, there's no fucking point, man. Doesn't make sense. Je suis jamais angry, man. I'm never angry. I want to see Martin teach a yoga class, man. I teach the best yoga, là. When you cross the leg and you do the arm with the finger, là. I teach the best yoga class. I calm everyone down and that's it. You understand? Is the curfew over? I see a lot of people passing. I don't fucking know. They extend the parking downtown, là, calice. But the parking is free at 6 o'clock. And then we have to be home by 8. The store closes at 7:30. Do the fucking basic math, là. I get there for free parking at 6. I have 1 hour and a half to shop, to walk around all downtown. And you can't fucking walk. There's construction and snow everywhere, calice. Makes no sense, God. Tabarnak. Where did you learn English? I think I said this last time. I learned it from Blue's Clues there. When he threw the book there, Mr. Salt and Pepper, man. I learned it from Blue's Clues and that is it. What do you think about Mr. Potato Head? Okay, listen, at first when I heard of Mr. Potato Head, I snap, I fucking snap again. I'm always eating my fucking Fruit Loop when the news come on. I throw it across the room again. Listen, what doesn't make sense, okay? But the problem with the Mr. Potato Head is that the thing is I thought they would remove the name from Mr. Potato Head, but no, they just remove it from the company. The company now is called Potato Head. I can't even understand why we're talking about fucking Potato Head. Toy Story shit, man. People have nothing to talk about, là, okay? It gives me good material, but that's it, sacrément. Martin to coach the ab. I would love to coach the fucking ab, man. I tell them straight, listen, you don't put the puck in the filet, man. You don't shoot the puck. Je te donne un claque sur la gueule, là, man. If you don't want to be tamed and you score the fucking goal, we do this, man. That's it, Ab. It's very plain and simple. Can you speak Spanish too? Mucho gracioso, Montialos. I don't know. That's about it. I'm learning. Ketchup on steak. Never put ketchup on steak. Is that even a thing? Isn't that? I think that's a fucking law illegal shit on ketchup on steak. Ontario or Quebec? If I have to drive, guarantee Ontario, man. The highway over there, he make me shit my fucking pants. One highway on one côté, on one side, man. You have fucking 7 lanes. That's like the fucking 440, the 40, and the 20 put all together. One side, and on the other side you have another fucking like 7, 8 lines. It doesn't make sense, man. It's scary to drive in Ontario. You have to have an F1 driver license or something. At home of the ab, that's Mr. Eric. I said, your girlfriend is hot. Tell him thanks. Okay, écoute là. She's very hot là. Okay, it's not my girlfriend, but she's very hot. I tell Matthew, listen, if Juliette don't work out, I'm telling you, man, I jump on board and that's it. I take over. Ketchup on egg. No, écoute là, ketchup is for the hot dog and the hamburger. That's it. The ketchup, you don't put the ketchup on the rice. You don't put on steak or nothing là. The hot dog and the burger. That's it. Why is your picture sideways, Jade? Oh, you're not asking me. Are you asking? You're having a conversation with Jade on my live. I understand. I get it. Perfect. No problem. Did you get a ticket for being out the purge? Ben non, Chris, c'est. Because they tell you get the ticket, but guaranteed, man, if you're outside after 8 o'clock, you disappear. They take you and you end up in some Guantanamo Bay type bullshit thing, là, okay? It's not just a ticket, Callis. I know they're up to something, là. They take you, then they bring you to a witch and she turn you into a fucking cone and then you end up on fucking Maurice Duplessis as a cone if you pass after 8 o'clock in the curfew. That's what happened. That's the truth. They make maybe I sound a bit crazy, là, but I mean, that is the truth, man. The truth is the proof is the proof, Callis, you know? What do you do for work? I think I mentioned, no, and when I was in the video, about the tenant, let's say, I get angry, I scream, and I basically just lose my fucking shit, man. That's what I do for work. That's how I get paid, man. I have to, basically, I'm like the Hulk with the Avenger, but not without, like, the muscle, you know, just the... Did you do your taxes? Fuck that shit, man. I never do my taxes. They want to come get the money. Tell them to come get the money. The door is unlocked, okay? There's no fucking money. I live inside the 8 meal, okay? Not even a 1.5, just a half. I just have a half a room and that's it. There is no fucking money, man. Okay, I scream. I'm doing the fucking weather to make an extra $8, man. Brother, he's paying me $8, Callis. That's it. Did you get the apartment? Ben yeah, the Québécois. The apartment is here, I told you, 8 million. And the Quebec Hulk. I like that shit, man. Maybe a fucking t-shirt. The Quebec Hulk, Martin with that fucking green face. That's solid, say. Are you angry all day or do you take a break? How can you take a break when there's all kinds of fucking shit going on in the city? You can't take a break from being angry, though. I wake up angry and I go to bed fucking angry, man. I'm brushing my teeth with fucking anger, tabarnak, because why not this thing? You can't just calm down. Whoa, attends a minute, là. Why do you hate the cones? Is that a serious question, man? Have you not, or maybe you're not a driver, maybe you take the STM, yeah? Or you ride a bicycle, maybe you're a cyclist, see, because you can go around the cone. But when you're a driver, trust me, I tell you, man, the fucking cones is like a, I don't know, man. It's like a fucking disease. Yes, man. It's rough. Oh, you remove all the question. Okay, cool. Are you COVID stressed? But no, man. It's not because of COVID. I was stressed since I was fucking born, let's say. I was stressed. When I was born, my mother, she bring me home in the car, in traffic, in detour, and I was stressed ever since I was a fucking 5-minute-old, man, because I was supposed to get home in 40 minutes. It took me 2 hours because of the traffic. The stress, I did not adopt the stress he's adopt me. Or something like that, man. I don't know what the fucking saying he says. How much time is, yes, thank you. She blew the wind. Thank you so much. CCSD, with the cone, okay, PTSD, but CCSD, exactly, man, exactly. Salut le gros, salut, man. I will turn your house into cone. The size of my home, I almost live in a cone that size. That's pretty much it. Where is Jean-Philippe? I don't know where fucking Jean-Philippe is, man. Who are you asking? It's 8:15. Oh, tabarnak, so easy. What time did we start? 8:02. 8:02. Okay, so we have 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Ah, there you go, Mr. Frigo, là. There he is, Mr. Frigo. That's it. I show you, man. Salut, King Noah. How are you doing, Martin? Pissed off, as usual, man. That's fucking huge. That's it. I'm pissed off. Brother won't be happy you passed the time. I didn't. Brother, he's passed the time all the fucking time. See, I keep it calm and contained, and that's it. See. Isaac, how you doing, man? Martin, you rock. I appreciate. Good stuff. Hi, Juliette. There's a guy he say here. Hi, Juliette, to you.
Spell
okay.
my name right.
Oh, tabarnak. Have you ever fallen in love? The only thing I've ever fallen is a puddle, and that is it. That is it. That's the only thing I fall in. No fucking love, nothing. Just a fucking puddle the size of the Piscine Creuset or Notre Dame, and that's it. Okay? See. Thanks for the video, Matt. You're out. Let Matthew know, but you're very appreciated. Thank you. What do you do to blow off steam? I scream. I always scream. If I'm at Bonanza to pick up the orange and the peach, and I get anger, I fucking scream. That's it. I snap the back neck. That's it. And you know what? That's the best way to fucking end the live by yelling and telling people I snap. Very good. You're kind of fat. I know. I know. I just had fucking like 18 dumplings. Let's see with some fucking habanero sauce là. Sacrement, my throat is burning like I feel like fucking Charizard là, from Pokemon. Pokemon là, okay? All right, perfect. Everyone, thank you for watch. I see you next week. That's it, that's all. That's it, là.